first to the farm and then to the factory.
We are in a community called Titikasum. That's the community that the farm is located in. We are about to enter into the farm. About to Mr. Opon Organic Farm. And this farm is adopted by Fair Africa. It's our demonstrational farm. The name of the farm itself is called Ajin Amantel in our local dialects. It means that the idea of setting this farm didn't come earlier. Cocoa starts producing flowers and pulps when it is 4 years and above, entering to its 5th year. When it's ripe, its color will change from greenish here to yellowish, indicating that it is ripe and ready for what? Harvesting. Farmers do normally use cutlass or the machete to harvest those that is around the cocoa tree. What we need is inside the pod. So we are going to break it and then get the beans from the husk of the pod. Our farmers, they prefer using the hip method of fermentation. That's using the plantain leaves or the banana leaves. After breaking the pod, we just scoop the beans of the cocoa pod on the plantain leaves. Cocoa! Ghana! Ghana! Cocoa! Cocoa! Business!
Hi, my name is JoAnne, and I flew here to Ghana from the United States, specifically from the state of Florida. Prior to coming, I knew that I would have an opportunity to learn about the chocolate in Ghana, the industry, the workers, the process, the growing, and the climate. I am a history teacher, a former history teacher, and I have read about this region for many, many years, and I've taught students about it. So to actually come and see it firsthand is absolutely exceptional to me.
So the butter is being extracted from the cocoa.
I understand the climate, and I also have thought about it and compared it to Florida. Our main produce is citrus. As I learned about the cocoa beans, I thought about what it means to me in my home in terms of fertilized soil, rain amount, sun amount, making sure that there's no infestation of the leaves and the trees and the pods. So it also was interesting to me to understand the economy that it adds to Ghana, to the jobs that are available for the citizens here in both the farming industry and the actual processing and chocolate making industry. Anybody who knows me will tell you that chocolate is my favorite, and I will cover anything with chocolate and eat it. I especially enjoyed the dark chocolate with the nuts. That was my most favorite one. It's amazing how many years ago this was discovered by farmers, and it was just surprising to me so many different varieties of chocolate you can do by adding different ingredients to vary the taste. Also, it was good to know that the people who work here, they all seem to be totally committed to what they're doing. They seem to appreciate the environment, to take care of it so that this continues to go on for many years. So here again, it was just a wonderful experience that I'm going to take back with me to the States when I return home.